So you always obviously want to have a plan for ensuring you have the best quality audio, whether it's using a certain type of microphone or ensuring that your environment is properly set up. But I remember a situation, I was working with a program in the Seneca Nation, Cattaraugus County, and there was some wide open space, there was a lot of sound going on, and I'm like, I can't isolate anything, I can't get the singing and all that kind of stuff, but I just decided to use the microphone built into the camera, and wow, was I surprised with how it turned out. Sometimes accidents turn into really good situations. I'm going to play this clip right now, so it's going to fade right into it right now. So yeah, that was a good example of recording natural sound. You know, none of it was manipulated, and it was all recorded from one audio source. So it's not like I had anybody mic'd up, straight from the camera. So the point of this is, don't be afraid to record what's actually happening if you don't have the proper microphone or if the environment's not to the best of what you want it to be. It could turn out really nice.